Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy with ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners tutorials actually that I can show you how you can make money with free traffic on ClickBank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So whatever or whichever you are interested with that with the website or the network, you can simply grab products from that and start making money from that. So I don't want to make this video longer. I'm going to share with you step by step easily that how you can make money with absolutely free and copy paste method that doesn't require any skill and any prior experience actually. So it is 100% free method and strategy that you can learn in this video, and you can start making money from this specific strategy right here on the ClickBank. I can simply give you one example on the ClickBank, but you can use any network like Digistore24, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or anyone you are interested with that you can simply choose, and you can start making money from that specific source right here. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with the ClickBank right here by just clicking the sign up button. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account, and then you can simply go to the marketplace right away here. And then after that, you can simply scroll down and you can see on the left side the main categories right here. So basically we will choose and promote the home and garden products right here. So that will be the main category. We can simply click on that. Once we click on that, we will be redirected to this page right here, and you can simply scroll down and choose the product which exactly working with this free traffic source that I'm going to share with you in this video right here. So the brain training for dogs is a unique method and unique strategy right here, and it is the best method to promote. And I will show you the free traffic actually that you can simply use and start making money from that. So if you just click on the sales page right here, so we will be redirected to this page right here, which will be a dog training process and method and strategy, because they just provide each and everything about pets and dogs right here, and that is a comprehensive training actually related to dogs right here. So those people that they are in United States and as well as in other countries that they need a dog to be trained to for good behaviors in others right here. So they exactly need these types of contents, and they are looking for that how they can find. So we will need to help them, and we can get money from that. And if we just go to this affiliate tools area right here, so we can also see here the different contents available right here on this website. For example, such as the banners they have provided for us, the links, for example, they have provided for us, each and everything they have provided for us. So we can simply see here that the reviews, articles, for example, brain training article, health training for dogs, for example, and renews picks, for example, members area reviews they have, get the brain training for dogs course right here. So they have only provided us for free these all things that we can promote this content and we can make money from that. So once we have found out the product, the next step will be that we can simply go to the odal.com right here, that you can simply see here. It is a website right here that we can simply just go there, and we can see here that all of the contents is available on this website related to dogs and pets right here, and many people are promoting different contents on this website right here, and most of the products are related to dogs, pets and other things right here. As you can see here, 2 days ago this guy has posted related to dog, and you can see here on the top 4 hours ago, 6 hours ago, that this guy has posted right here. So these are all the contents which is related to dogs, and we can just use benefit and get benefit from that. So more than and almost 2 million people are visiting to this website, and most of them are from the United States right here. So the first thing is that we need to click on the signing button or sign up for this website. So once we click on that, we will be just redirect to this page right here, that we can simply add and fill up this form right here, and then we can simply click on the join button. Once we click on the join button, we will be redirected to this page right here. We can simply just see here that we have signed in, and we can simply just click on the post button right here. Once we click on this post button, we will be just available to this page right here, that we can simply add our title right here, description right here, add image or photos right here, for example, and the price right here, for example. So for the title purpose, I can simply just go back right here to this website main page, and I can simply just copy this one, for example, Let me just copy this from here and I can simply paste it right here. And for the description, I just need to go back to the main sales page and I can simply scroll down and I can see here, for example, this page right here, which is also the introduction for the author and also brief details about the product right here. You can simply scroll down and then you can simply add, for example, for more details of your training, click here. For example, we can simply add a call to action button and then we can simply grab our affiliate link from here. For example, click the promote button, grab the link and then go to bit.ly and shorten with bit.ly, and then after that copy that and then come back right here and just paste it and here right here. So you can simply, for the purpose of your link to not be banned, you can simply remove this HTTP and you can simply give a space and then tell people that, for example, remove the space to access the training. Okay, so we can simply see like that and we can close the bracket right here. So once you are done with that, then you can simply scroll down and add the image right here by just clicking the image button right here. So we can simply choose any image we want. For example, you can just grab it from the sales page or affiliate tools area. So once you are done, then you can select the subcategory. You can simply choose the pet category. Then you can simply choose the subcategory dogs right here. Then you can simply close that and give the price. So the price is right here. If you just click on that, that is $47 right here. We can simply just add it 47 right here, and we can simply, this details are optional. You don't want to add into that. And this is the location. You can also change the location if you want, for example, the country location, but I don't want to change. I can simply just click on the post. Once I click on the post, so the post will be added to this website right here. So if your internet connection is okay right there and there is no problem and no issue right here, so that will definitely just post it on this website right here. But if your internet connection is a little bit weak, so you might have some issue with that and then you need to reload the page or something like that. So for that purpose, you need to have some time right here. I can simply just click on the cancel button for right now, because that required me to reload the page and try again for the purpose of internet connection. So hope you understand and you just get familiar with this method, this strategy, and you can take action on this. At the backside, you can see a result from that. So if you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.